Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options. A trailing stop loss is a risk management strategy that helps limit potential losses by automatically selling a position when it falls by a certain percentage or dollar amount from its peak price. To set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the options trading section. Select the specific option you want to set a trailing stop loss for and click on the details page. From there, click on the Edit Trade button, which will take you to the order editing page. On this page, you will see the option to set a stop loss. However, Robinhood does not directly support trailing stop losses for options. Instead, you can use a workaround by setting a regular stop loss and adjusting it manually as the price of the option moves in your favor. To do this, set a regular stop loss at a certain percentage or dollar amount below the current price of the option. For example, if you own a call option that is currently trading at $10, you could set a stop loss at $8, which is 20% below the current price. As the price of the option moves higher, you can adjust the stop loss upwards to maintain the same percentage or dollar amount below the new price. For instance, if the option price increases to $12, you could adjust the stop loss to $9.60, which is still 20% below the new price. It is essential to monitor your options positions closely and adjust the stop loss as needed to ensure that it remains effective in limiting potential losses. You can also consider setting alerts on the Robinhood app to notify you when the price of the option reaches a certain level, so you can adjust the stop loss accordingly. In addition to setting a trailing stop loss, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of options trading and risk management strategies. This includes knowing how to properly size your positions, manage your risk, and adjust your strategies based on market conditions. By following these steps and using the workaround to set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options, you can help limit potential losses and protect your investments. Remember to always monitor your positions closely and adjust your strategies as needed to ensure that you are using the most effective risk management techniques.